Amazon FBA Business. The ins and outs of Amazon FBA Business and what you need to know.
There are many people that are making excellent profits through Amazon FBA. With Amazon FBA, Amazon will take care of the ordering process for you. But it is critical that your mindset is right and that you develop the necessary skills to be able to start a successful online business selling on Amazon. You need to know what you are doing. You need to know how to set up and maintain your own successful Amazon FBA business. You need to learn how to choose the right products to sell on Amazon and how to ensure that your product listings are the best that they can be. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to set up and maintain your own successful Amazon FBA business. You will learn how to choose the right products to sell on Amazon. You will learn how to ensure that your product listings are the best that they can be. You will learn proven techniques to get the best results from your FBA business. You will learn about the mistakes you need to avoid so that you can realize the biggest profits on Amazon. Plus, a whole lot more. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you start a successful online business selling on Amazon. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is Amazon FBA and how does it work? The benefits of Amazon FBA. The most common mistakes that Amazon FBA sellers make. What you need to know about Amazon categories. Successful product sourcing for Amazon FBA. Getting set up to be an Amazon FBA seller. Creating the best product listings. How to get Amazon reviews. Amazon FBA best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to start a successful online business selling on Amazon. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to set up and maintain your own successful Amazon FBA business. You want to choose the right products to sell on Amazon. You want to ensure that your product listings are the best that they can be. You want to know proven techniques to get the best results from your FBA business. You want to know about the mistakes you need to avoid so that you can realize the biggest profits on Amazon, plus a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start a successful online business selling on Amazon. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start a successful online business selling on Amazon. I'll see you on the inside.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for awesome health videos. Also click the link below to learn more and please share this video with your friends. They will thank you for sharing it.